Welcome to the channel. It's time now to test run this pea sheller. It's taken me about 3 months to prepare it and to build it and get it ready, and I've gone up to the pea patch and picked about 3 gallons of peas to give it a test run with, and I was all excited about giving it this try and to see how it worked. And you know, it's just one of those things to where you just want to get something done and you want to try it out right away. And as I put the peas in and loaded it up and checked everything out, the peas already started falling through to the bottom, straight through the wire screen here. But I decided to go on and try it anyway and see what happened. And as I loaded it and closed it up and got it prepared, and I started to turn it on and test everything, and as I turned it on, it started working like it was supposed to, and I was all excited. But if you look carefully now to where it is, the peas are turning, the peas are rotating, the peas are going straight through the wire cloth down into the tray at the bottom. It was quite a treat to see all that, and it was exciting that you know, this was just turned out to be an epic failure, complete, total control. After investigating what went wrong with this thing, the design itself is good, but it's not complete. This drum needs something to keep those peas from going through. And I went up to the market, the farmer's market here in our part of the area, to look at theirs and see how it was done, and they graciously let me try it and look at it, and my drum is just not complete. It needs some baffles in it to keep this from happening and going through. So stay tuned. I'll correct this and get it back in shape. Had to resort to the old way of pea shelling. Did it by hand. So we had a nice mess of peas for supper that night. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll provide an update on the pea sheller. Have a blessed day.